What's up, everyone? Today I'm making chicken taquitos in the air fryer. This is another great recipe for those busy weeknights. It comes together quick, and when cooked in the air fryer, you still get the crispiness that you would normally get from deep frying, except you don't have all the oil and mess. Let's stop wasting time and let's get cooking.
We're going to start by prepping our chicken. I got one of those rotisserie chickens you can find at the grocery store. These are great because they're pre-cooked, and the ones at my store usually have pretty good flavor. Take it out of the bag and begin breaking it down. The wings, thighs, and legs should easily come off the bird. To get to the breasts, run a knife through the center and then along the breastbones on each breast. After the meat has been separated, we'll remove the skin. Normally the skin would be the best part, especially if crispy, but in this recipe it just doesn't work. As we remove the skin, we'll tear the meat off the wing, thigh, and leg bones. As you're pulling the meat off, tear it into smaller chunks and place into a bowl. The breast will also be torn into smaller chunks and placed in the bowl. Now dump all that chicken meat onto your cutting board and give it a good chop. This will help in the next step when we make our taquito filling. After a good chopping, return the meat to the bowl and we'll make the filling. To the chicken, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Add about a half a cup of salsa verde, 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, and finally a cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Give it a good mix until well combined. The filling is completely customizable to your taste. If you want it creamier, add some more cheese and sour cream. Spicier, then you can add some more salsa verde or cayenne pepper. After mixing, give it a taste. If it's tasting good, then we'll start rolling some tacos. I warmed up some corn tortillas by placing them between some damp paper towels and microwaving them for about 45 seconds. Place a big scoop of the filling on one end of the tortilla. Roll it up tightly and stick a toothpick through the middle to help it stay closed. Repeat this process with your remaining tortillas. Place the taquitos in a single layer into the air fryer basket. I'm able to get 6 in mine without them being too crowded. Give them a light hit of cooking spray, and you're going to cook at 400 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes. We're looking to get a nice crisp on the tortillas.
Listen to how crispy these are. We get all this crispiness in the air fryer with no oil. Let's take a bite and see. We got the crispy tortilla, the chicken mix, the salsa verde. You taste Monterey Jack cheese. These are really delicious. You definitely gotta try these. If you made it this far, I wanna thank you for checking out my video. If you enjoyed it, you can leave me a thumbs up. You could also subscribe. It would really help out the channel. Thank you. We'll see you later.